Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of November, it is the Suva Beauty Saffron palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below that talks about how to enter this. This would be perfect for the fall, you guys, as well as my other giveaways that I have going on as well. I'll put all of that information in the description box down below. So today we are unboxing the Ipsy bag for the month of November. The regular Ipsy is $10 a month. I do also get the Ipsy Plus, which is $25 a month, and I've already done that unboxing. So I'll put that video, I'll link that in the description box down below as well. So for the regular Ipsy, they're mainly sample sizes. Every once in a while they'll throw in a full-size product, but most of the time you're getting just samples and deluxe sizes with that. So this says November Wild Side. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory. Electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. Yes, please. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. I love that. Explore your 5 Glam Bag products and prepare to swipe into something new, and oh so you get to know your future favorites. So the first product in here is by ORYZA Beauty. It's a lipstick in the shade Opus. A deep berry lipstick made with ORYZA's nourishing rice gem oil will take you stylishly through the season with a richly pigmented, intense hydrating formula. It's infused with shea butter, vitamin E, and pomegranate fruit extracts to strengthen and protect your lips. Tip: after applying this deep berry lip color, use a concealer brush dipped in concealer to clean up any stray marks around your lip line. So this is full size, and this retails for $22.50. Really, really pretty. I love berry lipsticks, are my favorite. It's gorgeous. So here's what that looks like. That's really pretty for the fall. I do have another ORYZA that's in my own personal collection, and that one is obviously more color towards the spring. And here's just a comparison. This one next to it, it's more of a peachy tone than that berry tone one. So I'm really happy about this one. Next one is definitely a sample size. It is the MAC Cleansing Off Oil. It says sometimes removing your makeup feels almost as good as wearing it. Made by iconic beauty brand MAC, this gentle oil cleanser gets rid of your most stubborn makeup. And it's made with vitamin E, olive oil, fruit jojoba seed, and primrose oils to hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. Tip: pour a quarter-size amount of cleansing oil into the palm of your hand and massage it all over your face. When it's dry, to loosen up makeup, rinse or wipe off with a damp washcloth. I'd probably wipe it off. I just don't do ones like these. What I will do instead is I'll do a balm first, rub it all in to help really melt away, you know, the eye makeup, the lip makeup, everything that's kind of stubborn on there, and help break it all up. Then I'll go in with my regular cleanser after that and wash it all off. So I kind of do a 2-step. So I'll be putting this, I think, just in a future giveaway. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 600 subscribers. So help us get there. By It Cosmetics, cruelty-free brand, is a confidence in a cream. I love this stuff. This is the perfect size for when you are going on, when you're traveling, going on vacation. Just throw this little guy in your suitcase. I do have the full size of this, so you know that I love this. Size does retail for $48. And wondering where your glow went? Find it with a super cream from It Cosmetics, made with collagen, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, colloidal oatmeal shea butter, and super ceramide complex to hydrate, plump, nourish, and calm your complexion. Tip for best results: apply a pea-sized amount of moisturizer to clean skin in the morning and evening. Use upward sweeping motions. Smooth gently all over the face, neck, and chest. Here's what it looks like. And it easily goes right into the skin. Love it! By Color Club, a cruelty-free brand. This retails for $6.75. It's a nail polish in the shade Rocky Mountain High. Love that name. As a girl who lives near the Rocky Mountains, love it. Of glamour and a little edge, look no further than this glossy burgundy red from Color Club's beloved industry professionals and beauty enthusiasts everywhere. It delivers long-lasting full coverage colors in 2 easy coats and flatters just about everyone. Tip: apply polish in 3 stripes, starting from left, then right, then center. Cap the tip off with the color, seal with a clear top coat. Oh, this is really deep kind of burgundy. Perfect for the fall. Love it. Finally, is this really pretty from Slim Miss makeup brush. It's their tapered face brush, P62. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of like thinner on this than obviously this side. And it does have that tapered edge to it. So because everyone deserves to feel glam, YouTuber Stephanie Lewis created brushes are a joy to use and look stylish in your kit. I think this is really, really pretty. I love the cobalt blue color. This fluffy tapered face brush can be used to set powder into the under eye or apply highlighter. It blends powders out easily and evenly. Tip: maximize this brush potential by gently swirling it in the pan, taping off any excess powder before applying it to your face. I think I would definitely use it. I think it'd be perfect for a highlighter. I think that's how I would use it. So I think by far my favorite products are the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream and that lipstick by ORYZA. What were your guys' favorites? Did you get the same things? Did you guys get something different? Let me know all that in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It means the world to me when you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.